Yorkshire Coast Fossil Hunting Tours. The North Yorkshire coast, a place rich in fossil history and a hub for fossil hunters for over 200 years. Here, you can participate in our family-friendly fossil hunting tours, suitable for beginners and amateur geologists alike. Each tour offers a unique experience, with lower age limits based on terrain and distances. The thrill of discovery, the excitement of unearthing a fossil, the joy of learning about our planet's history. These are the unique features of these tours. You'll gain hands-on experience in fossil hunting, learn about geology, and develop a deeper appreciation for our planet's history. Not to mention, it's a fantastic way to spend time with family and friends, exploring the beautiful North Yorkshire coast. Private tours, group bookings, and school tours can be arranged, offering a more personalized experience. It's an adventure that promises to be both educational and fun. Fossils are invaluable tools for understanding our past, and fossil hunting is a fantastic way to engage with this history. Whether you're an experienced fossil hunter or just starting out, the North Yorkshire coast offers a fossil hunting experience unlike any other. For more information about our tours and how to book, please visit our website. And remember to like and subscribe to the channel for more fossil-related content.